Good morning. Welcome to day 22. As I said yesterday, or in my last video, I'm going to take all those off, clean all them up today. Also planning on installing a roof, rough stud opening here for a roof vent. We're not going to install it, but we're just going to put it in there just in case we do need it. And I'm probably going to play with making the upper cupboard here for the kitchen. Yeah, the weather's cooperating. Looks nice outside. Let's get at it. So now I'm going to use my planer and clean this up a little on both sides to make it all look right pretty. Okay, like I said, wouldn't really show you these till they're done. So here they are. The curves are done. Got them sanded, got them trimmed up a little. Got the ends sanded off here, so it's a nice transition. So that's going to give the nice curve to the front of our camper pod. Cool, it seemed to work out well. Now on to some other stuff. Okay, so I moved my tables out there because I got to rip some of that decking board. But I think what I'm going to do is I sort of test fit. I'm going to put a couple of braces that are in the plan that's over there on the floor. One needs to go in here. Another one will go in either on either side of that. And for here, I'm thinking about doing a corner brace because of the wind that'll be blowing in. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. Just finish off the framing for the curve. Will I be able to get my drill down there? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. How much room I have? 10 inches. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, won't fit. Unless I close the garage door. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, I'm over on the other side. Yeah, I just had to slide this down a little bit to get me some room for the drill. Actually, that's not enough room there. I gotta move it a little more. So now I got some room for the drill. Well, this little cabinet, probably the smallest thing I'm going to be building here, but I'm after putting more thought into this to try to build it than I think I have put into a lot in the camper. We've actually reduced the size. It was going to come down as far as here, but when my wife came out, she would be knocking her head into the cabinet because it was only going to come out to the edge of here, but she ended up knocking her head in the cabinet while washing the dishes here. So we're going to make it the bottom of it the same height as that. So I got an idea. Starting with a brace. I got to put a brace across here anyway. Starting with a brace here at that height, and then building off of that. I'm probably going to make it out of strapping and use gyprock screws. and brads for this. So anyway, yeah, let's see what happens. Well, it's the end of day 23. Finished up a little bit earlier today. I'm a little bit tired, and it's starting to rain. So, just to recap, got the curves done. Got the bracing, extra bracing put in the frame. I also spent way too much time figuring out the cabinet. Finally got it figured out when it started to rain. So I'll put these little, I guess, braces, mounting points. So next I got to rip some wood, try to find some strapping here that's all the same width, just all different widths. Then rip it, and then use my Craig jig face to make a nice like face frame. Then run around the inside with my router, and then attach it to these 4 points, and that'll be the basis of the cupboard. The bottom will be done later, and the sides will be done later, but that'll be the basis for the cupboard. So that's it. Try to get everything in before the rain hits. I actually got everything in, well, except for the sheet of plywood and my 2 stands, which is, I'll get that in there now. And yeah, so that's it, day 21. I say pretty soon, and I got to clean up my desk, big mess. So pretty soon, I'll be, well, I also got to get some more lumber to finish off the roof trusses along here. Do a little bit of reinforcement around here. And insulate, electrify, plumb, side. Yeah, got some stuff to do. But anyway, that's it for today, folks. Day 21. We'll see you in the next video.